What's up, everybody? Me, MC Aggie St. James, daily video vlog number 261. I had every intention of doing an earlier vlog today where I had better lighting and everything, but I got to filling out applications for hospitals and it took up most of the day. And then I had to get some things done around the house. And my nose just all of a sudden started like bothering me. I don't know what's going on with it, but anywho, so I'm getting up early in the morning once again, and I'm going to go actually, some places they have only paper applications, and in other places they have online applications. So there's a couple places that I have to go to tomorrow that only have paper applications, so I got to get up early and go to those two different places tomorrow morning. And then come back and fill out some more applications online. So, staying optimistic and feeling good that something's going to come through for me soon in Jesus' name. Thank you! So, I'm getting a little tired now. It's been really cold today. No polymers yet. I don't know if we're going to get snow this year. I know last year we got snow pretty bad, but I don't know about this year. They keep saying we were gonna get it, but I don't see no polymers falling from the sky yet. So try not to get sick, you know what I mean? That was so Becky, you know what I mean? Try not to get sick and just trying to stay warm and off my feet. My feet be hurting when I be at work, y'all. Y'all have no idea. So, oh my goodness. Yes, I did get me some sleep last night. So that's good. That was good. I am feeling a little stomped up, but no worries, nothing to worry about. I think it's just the allergies and the change of the season, and I can't stop yawning. I don't know where I'm going with this vlog tonight, y'all. Tomorrow I'm off. This is what I'm gonna do. When I get back in the morning from filling out those applications, I'll do my vlog, okay? It'll be in better lighting. I'll have a little bit of makeup on for y'all beautiful people. And we'll do it that way, okay? But right now, tonight, it's like that. It's just one of them nights where I'm just like, I'm just feeling exhausted. But it's cool. Y'all, to see what's crazy is, as much as I'm yawning, it's probably going to be another 3 hours before I finally fall out. Because I'm one of them people that I can't just, no matter like how, well, I ain't going to say no matter how tired I am, but I got to be pretty exhausted to just come home and fall out. Usually, on a regular, any other time, when I get home from work or from a long day doing whatever, it usually takes me a pretty good while before I finally fall out. Before I finally fall asleep and knock out. So, but as much as I've yawned, as tired as I am, it's probably going to be another 3 hours before I finally fall asleep. But it's cool, y'all. It's cool. So I'm going to end this vlog because I know y'all tired of seeing me yawn. And then, you know, when you yawn so much, your eyes start watering. If you look like you crying, and people are like, oh my God, what's wrong? Like, ain't nothing wrong, I'm yawning. Just let me be. MC Aggie St. James, y'all. And I'm out. Peace.